Let me tell you about a time in my life when I was sitting out wishing that she was still around. Every night I think about you, call your phone, never get a busy tone. We could go somewhere alone and it would be